Textual variants in 1 John 2:4. We have two variants we want to pay attention to in verse 4. The first one is marked with the diamond after the hoti. The diamond indicates great difficulty in determining the original text, but when we look to the bottom of the page we don't see any evidence. There are some times when UBS 5 will not put the evidence at the bottom of the page, but will simply point you to an appendix in the back. And here this appendix is on page 890, and we find out that some manuscripts have omitted this hoti. This is a recitative hoti. It's a hoti that essentially functions like quotation marks. So some manuscripts simply omit the word hoti. If you look at the end of this verse, we have kai in tuto he aletheia uk estin. And in this one, the truth is not, or smoothing it out a little bit, and the truth is not in this one. This one being the one who has claimed to know God, but does not keep his commandments. That person is a liar. So at the end, the truth is not in this one. So we see this superscript 1, we go to the bottom of the page, and we see the superscript 1, the bold 4, so we know we're in the right place. The capital letter A in squiggly brackets is the grade, so they are very confident that this reading is correct. UBS 5 will list the reading in the text first. Here it is, in tuto he aletheia. Now the readings that we're deciding between are in tuto he aletheia in tuto, the same word, simply in a different order. In tuto aletheia, we are missing the article before aletheia in this reading. Then in tuto he aletheia tu theou, so we've added the genitive tu theou, so this is not simply the truth, but this is the truth of God. And then finally, he aletheia tu theou, the truth of God, we're omitting the phrase in tuto. So the evidence for the first reading goes from here all the way to these double slashes. Here we have capital letter manuscripts, then lowercase manuscripts called minuscules. This is the Byzantine text represented by K, L, and P, the lectionary tradition, and Clement, a church father. For this next reading, we have only minuscule 1881, a lowercase manuscript, and Armenian, a translation. Here we have Psi, a capital letter manuscript, several lowercase manuscripts, some lectionaries. This means the original hand of this lectionary, a translation, and two modern language Bibles which have adopted this reading, although they're not quite certain about GNB. It's not always possible to tell if they've adopted the manuscript reading or have simply rendered it in this way for stylistic considerations. For this reading we have two translations only, Ethiopic and Slavonic. For the final variant we have the capital letter manuscript Sinaiticus.